Congratulations and thank you for purchasing the Balance Babes Enema Kit. Now this is a medical grade silicone enema kit, which means it will go and go and go. It is far less likely to start to culture any nasty bacteria and nasty things that you want in your enema kit. And the medical grade silicone means that it doesn't have any nasty chemical plastics in it that are going to be ending up in your body. So let's get started on showing you how to use it. Firstly, let's put it together. So in your kit, you're going to receive some spare attachments. Your kit is going to come started with a silicone attachment. Now, this is the preferred method, in my opinion. This is soft and easy to insert. And then we do have a couple of spare ones that you can use when you feel like these need changing. And the other two are plastic, and I don't recommend using those. You can absolutely if they feel better for you. But this one is very large, this one here, and this one is actually used for vaginal douching. So if you have brought your kit specifically for vaginal douching, then that is what can be used. And the other one is just a smaller size, different feeling, if that feels better for you. So putting together your kit. So this end here, little plastic thing, is the end that is going to be plugged into the bottom of your kit. You just simply need to use a little bit of force and get that in there. It's relatively easy. Just like that, okay? And then this clamp here, this is the clamp which is what you close tightly to stop the flow of liquid and simply release when you're ready for your liquid to flow through. The kit also comes with a very handy hook. Now, we recommend hanging the enema kit over a towel rack or something around waist height. We don't recommend hanging them up really, really high at the top of a shower because that will actually bring the contents of the enema kit into your body a little faster, making it more chance of you experiencing excess gas and air inside, which can be painful, as well as just the general speed based on it being a gravity-fed enema kit at which the fluid will enter your body, and it's not recommended. So for that reason, we have a 1.8 meter tube. It fits best if you just simply hang this over a hook, a towel rack, or even just a handle of a drawer or something within your bathroom. For best comfort, I recommend that you lay down your yoga mat, get yourself a pillow, have your phone, if you're going to meditate or you're going to scroll, whatever works perfectly for your enema. Now, the best thing about purchasing a Balance Babe Enema Kit is that you actually get access to my free colon cleanse course. And within that course, you get a free 20-minute demonstration on exactly how to prepare your coffee enema for best results. Additionally, you get an additional document which is going to outline all the many different possibilities that you can use within your enema kit for all the best results for your hormone balancing, for liver detoxification, for skin clearing, for gut microbiome, for inflammatory bowel disease. There are so many options with your kit. So it is as simple and easy as that. Aftercare instructions, what I simply recommend you do is pour a little bit of boiling water through the kit to hose it all out. I also, in addition, will use just a natural antimicrobial, like a hand sanitizer, but use a natural one. You don't want any chemicals. Or you can simply make yourself up a little oil blend of some essential oils, like such as tea tree. And that'll have natural antimicrobial effect, which just means that tip, which you are obviously inserting anally, is going to keep fresh, and there's absolutely zero risk of microbes and bacteria or anything nasty forming in your kit. It is so simple to use. Like I said, it's reusable. It will last you years and years. So embrace your enema journey. I can't wait to hear about your results. I promise you it is not as scary as it looks. And I promise you that you will receive so many benefits when you really learn how to use enema kits and enemas to completely balance your hormones, to restore your gut health, to lose weight, to improve your skin health, to reduce brain fog. The list of benefits goes on, and you can definitely learn more about how to use enemas safely for your health within the free colon cleanse program. So check the link below to register for free, and that'll be sent straight to you.